So you want me to run this query?
Okay, so these are the assignments that given in the last session. So we'll go through one by one. So name, job, salary, who is a clerk, and he belongs to department 30. Okay, this is the first question. Now go to Toad. Just do select star from EMP. Okay, go to that question. Who is a clerk? Okay, now where job equal to clerk and belongs to department 30. Perfect. So now go to Toad. Okay, so what you have to do, job equal to clerk and department equal to 30. No, go to document. Okay, so this is where job equal to clerk and department. So this is the output we have already pasted, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then fine, no issues. Just run it, paste it and run. It's fine, no problem. I'll check from the document only. Anyhow, we have already executed. That's fine. The second one, name, salary of the person whose salary is less than 1,000. So select e-name and salary from employee where salary is less than 1,000. Perfect. And belongs to department 20 and 30. Okay. So here two are there, right?
Yes, yes.
So here what you have to do, when single is there, you have to do equal sign. If more than one, then you have to write in operator in 20, 30.
Department is equals to 20.
No, you will give it equal to when there is a single.
Okay.
If you're multiple, then you have to give in operator, in. Instead of equal to, you have to write in.
Okay.
So you have to write department DPTNO in within bracket
20.
20, 30. Within bracket
Okay.
semicolon. Okay.
Okay.
So here, would you do one thing after salary, the column you put the department number also.
Okay.
Before from employee number, name, comma salary, comma DPTNO. And from and where you put in next line. Okay, fine. Now, what is the next question? Employee detail. Employee detail whose employee number starts with 77. Okay. Now, detail in the sense all the columns. So you have to put star.
Okay.
You can copy. No. Okay. Select star from EMP. So there you are getting any row? No, you are not getting any record, right?
I'm getting only e name.
No. Output you are not getting anything, right?
No, I'm getting, sir. I did not paste.
Okay, just write it.
Oh.
Okay, so when you're giving like, you should not give equal to sign. Okay. Yeah. So now it is correct. Now what is the next? You understood, right? Like is
Yeah.
now next one is name, job, salary in one column. Alias name should be employee detail from EMP. Name, job, salary. Okay. So name concatenate with job, concatenate with sal. Okay. So in between just give hyphen.
Okay.
Select name, concat, then hyphen. Hyphen you have to give within, no, then give hyphen. Hyphen within quote, within single quote. No, you are concatenating one more string, right? Again concat. Type symbol again. No,
Where I have
correct.
to give?
No, correct only. You write that one. Single quote,
Okay.
type symbol, again single quote, then concat, give two pipe symbol.
Okay.
That means now ename concat with this, like that job, again give concat with again hyphen. Then salary. As a employee detail. Employee details you end it from EMP. From EMP you put it in next line.
Okay.
Yeah. So that is now correct. Okay. Yeah. Fine. Now next one is the employee details salary from lower to higher. So here you have to do employee detail means select employee detail or employee name. Okay, whatever. Detail means star and name means e-name. Okay, from the lower to higher. Salary, okay. Salary from lower to higher. So salary lower to higher means ascending. Correct. Okay. Now employee detail of the manager and clerk. See, when you're writing detail, that means star. Okay.
Okay.
So here employee number and name, because here it will be star, no problem. Of the manager and clerk both. So you have written only clerk. You have read also manager also.
In we can use for this.
Yeah. Then in that case you have to use in.
Okay.
Write it. Go to their code. Select star from employee where job in clerk, comma manager. Select, you write star from EMP where job in, remove till end of job, remove everything, just in within quote clerk, comma manager. Yes. So it is case sensitive. So you have to write exactly uppercase or lowercase. Yeah. Now we run it. So whoever are clerk and manager, it will give. Now you want to sort by job means just do order by job. Next line, order by job. Control enter. Okay, so these are the clerk, these are the manager. Okay. Now what is the next? Count how many managers are there. Okay. Now go there. And just write select star from EMP where job equal to manager. Select star from where job equal to manager.
But we need to use count option also.
Okay, now here you get 3. Now you want to star means it will get all the records. I don't want records, just count I want. So instead of star, write count star. Count within bracket star. Just give count within bracket star. That's it. Now run it. Okay. Now what is the next one? Name, salary, commission. Okay. Commission is not null. Okay. Now go there. So what you have to do, you have to select name, salary, and commission. Just do first select name, salary, commission. Select name, salary, comma, commission. Then enter from EMP. COMM. Enter from EMP. Control enter. Okay. Now I am telling where commission is not null. Okay. So you have to filter the null columns. Now write come next line where commission is not null. So you have to filter the null values. Commission is not null. You cannot write equal to, not equal to in null case. You have to write is null, is not null, is not null, not space null. Now control enter. Okay, so these are the not null values. Now what I told, you have to add a derived column. Derived column means salary plus commission, it should come here. Okay. Now there you can give comma in the commission. Select e-name, comma salary, comma commission, comma salary plus commission. Sal plus there sal plus commission. Space, give a alias name as a total salary something. Alias means as remove that alias.
Okay. Yes.
As within double quote total sal. Cancel. Total sal double quote and now control enter. So this is called your derived column. So this column is not there, but still you can derive it from the existing column. Like Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Now come to the next one. From employee name, display first 3 character. And what is the length of total character should be there in different color. Okay. Now go there. So what you have to do, just select ename from employee. Select ename, next line from employee. EMP. Okay. And now run it, control enter. Now you got the ename. Now I want the short name. Okay. How to get the short name means ename comma. In the select you write ename comma. How to find the short name is only 3. First 3 means substring. You have to use substring. SUB STR within bracket ename 1 comma 3. Give a alias name ename comma 1 comma 3. Bracket close as give a alias name as a short name. Now control enter.
Okay.
Got it? Now you want to find the length. Okay. Length means you have to do count.
Okay.
So count for that you need actually grouping. You have to need a group by and all. So now I mean this is not yet done that topic. So once you today only we'll do that topic, then only you can do that. Okay, count.
Okay.
This will come under the grouping and all. Okay. Now this you understood, right? How to do the short name, right? Clear? Now go to
Yes,
the
okay.
next one. Now go to the next one. Go to the next one. Find position of A in the first occurrence with different column. Okay. How to find the position of A? Okay. Now go there. Select ename comma to find the position of A means in string INSTR. So these are the built-in functions you have to remember. INSTR within bracket ename comma within single quote capital A within single quote capital A comma 1 comma 1 bracket close. You can give some alias name, position of A, something like that. So here the A position, you understood the in string, right? In string of ename means ename Then A, find the A, start search from the beginning. First one means start from the beginning. Then one means the first occurrence of A. If there are 2, 3 A's are there, the first occurrence of A. Okay. So in Smith there is no A. In Ln, in the first position A is there. In Ward, second position A is there. Like that. Okay. So you can find the position of A.
So your voice is breaking.
What happened?
Voice was breaking completely.
I didn't get you. What you're asking?